Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Do you need help downloading videos on Telegram? Here's a quick guide on saving videos directly to your device. Let's get started. The first step is to open your Telegram and navigate your way to the chat with the video you want to download. For some phones, you need to tap and hold on the video until the options pop up. Then select Save to Gallery. For an iPhone user, you click on the three dots button at the top of the screen. Then you will see the option to show in chat or to save video. Click on Save Video and your videos will be saved to your photos. The next step is to head over to your photo app to confirm if your video have been saved. Go to Recent and you'll find the video right there. And that's it guys, you've successfully downloaded the video from Telegram. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you in my next one. Bye bye.